How to redeem Delta SkyMiles. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem Delta SkyMiles. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. You can use your Delta SkyMiles to book Delta Connection and Delta shuttle flights. Since Delta uses dynamic pricing, award rates can vary significantly. For example, in November, one-way main cabin award rates from Seattle to Tacoma International Airport to Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport range between 16,000 and 49,000 miles. So the first option is redeem for Delta flights. The most straightforward thing to do with your Delta SkyMiles is to use them to redeem flights on Delta Airlines. And while that seems like the smart thing to do, it's worth noting that Delta prices its award redemption dynamically, which means there is some connection between the cash price of the ticket and the amount of SkyMiles it takes to book, as well as other factors like specific route popularity and demand for those seats. Second, redeem for partner flights. Delta Airlines partners with 24 other airlines through which you can leverage your SkyMiles to book award travel. For the majority of them, you can find award space through Delta's website, but for the remaining few, you will have to call Delta Reservation in order to book award tickets. Award ticket prices for flights on Delta's partners tend to mirror prices on the same routes where Delta also operates flights. Next, redeem for magazines. You can use your SkyMiles to redeem for magazine subscriptions through Delta's partnership with Mags for Miles. Redemption starts at 200 miles plus $2 for up to 4 of your favorite publications, and you can also redeem for upgrades. You can also use your SkyMiles for upgrades to a higher class of service. If you have a confirmed Delta marketed and operated flight, you should have the option to pay cash or use miles to upgrade your flight directly on Delta's website. So this is how you can redeem Delta SkyMiles. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel, Login Giants, for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.